21st of June 2019. I am in McLeodgunj. I've come for the Triund trek with Wovoyage. Right now walking towards our hostel. बाकी न्यूज़ में बाकी अपडेट्स में वहाँ पे पहुँच के बताऊँगी. चलना पड़ रहा है, काफ़ी देर से चल रहे हैं. So once I reach, I'll update you with all the details.
I came to know about Wovoyage on Facebook. I wanted to travel but was not getting a companion, and solo traveling is a little scary to me. Hence, an all-women travel group is what I was looking for. The journey started from Majnu Katila in Delhi. The bus dropped us at Dharamshala. From there, we went to McLeodgunj. Our hostel was in the upper Bhagsu area of McLeodgunj. It was a scenic drive of about 40 minutes. It's not drivable till the hosteler, and you need to hike up the stairs to reach it. The check-in time at the hosteler is 11 am. So if you are reaching early, you might have to wait for a while before you get your room ready.
Breakfast done. We are here at the hostelers. Now we have freshened up, got ready, and we'll be going out to explore the surrounding area. And definitely you are coming with me. About to reach the Bhagsunag Waterfall, and if you see clearly, it's right there. So right there is the Dharamshala Cricket Stadium, and you get a very good view of the town from here.
The Shiva Cafe is a very nice place to spend some time amidst nature, listening to trance music and sipping some tasty drinks.
waterfall. The main waterfall is not visible from here, but you can definitely come here and have a lot of fun like we are having right now. Shiva Cafe and Bhagsunag Waterfall. Now we are going down. We are going to visit the Dalai Lama Monastery and also the market area.
For lunch, we chose a Tibetan cafe which is run by the monks, serving you authentic Tibetan cuisine.
So after lunch, we are now on our way to the Dalai Lama Monastery. Come along with me.
The Dalai Lama temple is a monastery dedicated to Lord Buddha. Originally named Namgyal Monastery, it was set up by the 14th Dalai Lama and was shifted to McLeodgunj after the Tibetan uprising in 1959. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Stay tuned for the Triund trek video next on my channel. Until next time, bye-bye.